All right, so we're going to do an eBay unboxing antique. Now, I had to rob Peter to pay Paul to get this piece. Well, holy cow, this is even more beautiful than I thought. And it was really worth robbing Peter to pay Paul. What we have here is a Prince Albert lock. You're like, what the hell is that? No, it's not a Prince Albert. Don't Google that. All right, you don't want to know what that is. All right, so this is actually a lock of hair. And I don't know if this is real gold or pinchback. It's Victorian, and pinchback gold is generally not real gold, although sometimes you get lucky with unmarked pieces, but I think the seller was really advanced and would probably know. But there we go. I'm going to take it outside to show it to you guys, actually. This is a double-sided brooch. Really quite cool. Now, I don't know what kind of photograph this is, but I think it might be a tintype. Look at this. Look at the hairdo. It looks like from the 1860s. And he doesn't have mutton chops, but look at him. Immortalized forever in this old Victorian locket that spins around. Now, I'd like to do the spinning action, but I'm a little nervous about dropping it right now. Look at that. So it spins around, so whatever mood you're in, you can be in here. And so if you want to actually display the side with the hair on it, you can display the side with the hair on it. Now, this became really popular during the reign of Queen Victoria, Victorian era. And before that, this was popular as well. So they had this in the Regency era, in the Middle Ages, but it really boomed in popularity upon the death of Queen Victoria's husband, Albert, Prince Albert, in 1861. She was known to put a locket of his hair, or locks of his hair, in actually a locket and a ring and a bracelet, and then it took off. And sentimental mourning jewelry became a thing. Look at this. It has little wire work. I don't know if you could see that. This little metal wire work, pearl drops. Pearls symbolize tears. And we have, this is generally a man. When you see these type of, like fleur-de-lis, you could see the fleur-de-lis, which is like the coat, I think it was on the coat of arms of the Prince of Wales. There we go, Prince Albert. So it's known as the Prince of, well, I was going to say Wales, the Prince of Wales. The Prince of Wales type of lock or hair locket. Really quite cool. Look at that. Immortalized in rock crystal forever. Look at the size of this brooch. Now, if you see this white background, it's chalcedony. It's some form of rock mineral. Really quite cool. It's almost like a quartz-like crystal. I have to Google it. But really cool that they placed this on chalcedony. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know, but look.
Chalcedony is a translucent form of microcrystalline quartz, known for its waxy luster and smooth, uniform appearance. Unlike large quartz crystals, like amethyst, its structure consists of submicroscopic crystals that are tightly packed together. While it is a specific gemstone, the term also serves as a catch-all family name for several popular varieties. In the jewelry trade, the name chalcedony is most commonly used to describe the bluish-gray, white, or lavender translucent varieties. It is a durable stone, ranking 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, making it ideal for daily wear.
It has like strands of wheat made out of metal, and I just love this piece.
In the Victorian era, hair lockets were profound tokens of memento mori, remembering death, and memento vivere, remembering life. Because hair does not decay, it was viewed as a physical piece of a person's essence that survived them. Symbolism and Prince Albert. The fleur-de-lis often appeared in Victorian jewelry to symbolize royalty, purity, and the Holy Trinity. The Prince Albert connection. Following Prince Albert's death in 1861, Queen Victoria's perpetual mourning popularized hair jewelry. While the fleur-de-lis is a classic heraldic symbol, in her mourning lockets, it often acted as a royal seal of devotion. Hair work. Hair was often intricately palette-worked, glued into shapes, or table-worked, braided like lace. Inside lockets, hair was frequently arranged into Prince of Wales plumes, 3 feathers, or floral motifs to represent family members. Victorian photography in jewelry. As photography evolved, lockets and brooches began to house different types of sun pictures alongside hair. Daguerreotypes. The earliest photos, 1840s to 50s, appearing as a mirror-like silver image on copper. Ambrotypes. Images on glass, popular in the 1850s, that appear positive when placed against a dark background. Tintypes. Images on thin iron sheets, 1860s onward. They were durable and cheap, making them the most common photo found in mid to late Victorian soldier lockets. Note, you likely meant daguerreotypes when referring to derogative photographs. These are the high-detail silver-plated images that shifted in the light.
So once again, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, these are not easy to come by, and when you come by them, you have to rob Peter to pay Paul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.